everything is fine. Everything is fine. It's been a while since I did an unboxing video. I'm really excited about this because this is the Ojamajo Doremi magical stand. It's a new merchandise item. We have been getting a lot of things lately. This was announced back in October and the pre-order went up back in October. There were 2 rounds of the pre-order because it was such a popular selling item. I think that Bandai and Toei Animation tend to underestimate the amount of passion that Doremi fans have for this franchise. The shipments went out at the end of March and I got mine a couple of days ago. I actually had to go to the post office because I missed the delivery date, but I was able to get it. So I actually had to use a proxy to be able to purchase this and buy it. And today I am opening it and I'm so excited because I have no idea what the assembly is like. I'm also kind of not sure about the measurements of this item and I'm looking forward to it. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it on my desk. So I'm going to take out the packaging paper. This is actually as Zen Market sent it. I'm not sure how it was sent domestically in Japan. This is the wrapping that Zen Market put the stand in, and the wrapping for the tap collection cases is right here. There were 2 things that went on sale for this. The stand as well as tap collection cases. These in particular are not new. They were sold individually in Japan, but they started selling them as a set to go along with this because you will see these are used as accessories on the stand. The stand also comes with the horons, the wands in Doremi. Those were also sold individually in Japan, but if you bought the stand, it comes with those anyway. So we're going to see those in a second as well. First, I'm going to open the collection cases. And these were kind of advertised as something that you can put like gummies in because they were sold with gummies. I actually wonder if these have gummies in them right now or if they come with gum. But anyway, this is what these look like. We have the apprentice tap, the Minarai tap, the rhythm tap, the parara tap, and the cologne tap. Here they are again. Very pretty, very shiny. It's nice that they put these in a set rather than having to buy them individually because that's how they sold them initially, but it's nice that they had that as an additional sale with the stand. And here's the back. You can see the gummy candy. It's very cute. Oh my god. Oh, it has Hannah on it. Oh, I love when they include her. Very fitting, especially since this year is the 20th anniversary of Dokkan. And there is some tape here that I will use my scissors to cut off. I wish I had my box cutter. Yep, so it doesn't look like there's any candy that comes with it, but in any case, the cases are here. It's very nice packaging. It even has the illustrations of each tap on the back of it. Yep, so, oh, there is gum. Yep, there's always gonna be at least one piece of gum. Yeah, so these are like little keychains that you can attach to a bag or something. Look at how shiny the little ballies on the parara tap are. They don't actually work like the toy, like there's no button pressing, but they do open up. So I'm going to open those up in a second, but that's enough of those because the main attraction today is the magical stand. But also, haha. This is a card that they are using to advertise the Minarai tap, the new one that's coming out in August that they had up for pre-order in January and it just recently ended. So excited about this. Wow, I literally cannot wait to get this. I'm so looking forward to it. Back to the magical stand. Let's go. That is great. Beautiful box. There's no like shrink wrap on it or anything. It says Ojamajo Doremi magical stand. Each side is decorated with imagery that is inspired from the show and for this item. The promotional images that they used and new illustrations of Doremi. And I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about opening this. I'm wondering if I should change camera angles. Okay, I changed the camera angle a little bit. I don't know how much assembly is required for this. I've not seen any videos on this. I actually don't even know if there are videos on this. I'm also going to try and not rip the box like I did last time. Okay, the back of the box as we open this. Oh my god, why must nothing come easy? Why? Okay, oh, there we go. Oh, and here's another card advertising same item, the Minarai tap. coming in August. So excited. There are instructions, I guess, telling you how to put the tap collection cases or how to hang them up. There's another side also advertising the tap collection cases that recently went up for pre-order. I actually didn't order these because I was like overwhelmed. They have seriously been putting out a lot of merchandise lately and I was not ready for that. But for now, magical stand. Here is this. Oh, it doesn't seem like there's much assembly required. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, these are actually the wands. I was wondering how they were going to put them in the packaging, but okay, those are the wands. Oh, there's tape. There we go. My floor is a mess right now because of how much stuff is coming from this. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, it's shinier than I thought it was going to be. I don't know if you can see the shine here. Very, very nice. Oh, the clouds. Oh, this is so, I'm so happy to have this. As far as the sizing, I was also unsure of how big it would be, but it's actually pretty small. Because I was like, oh my God, where the hell am I gonna put this in my room? But they did provide the sizing on the website, and this is pretty accurate to how it was supposed to be. That's interesting. The paint. It goes from a clear, or like the type of material that was used to make this, and then it fades into the gold paint here. And then there's the Maho Do right there as well. Oh, I really like this. Oh, there is some assembly. So I'm gonna have to put each girl on each little prong here. Okay, I can do that. They actually also advertise this as something that you can put jewelry on. I don't think I'm going to do that, but it's nice that it's an option. And the box that has the wands as well as the girls. Don't know if that's the top or bottom in here. Oh, okay. Ah, the chains are separate and you have to put them on yourself. Here are each of the wands. The peperuto put on, the picot put on, the sweets put on, and the jewelry put on. As I expected, none of these work the same way that they do in the show. Like, these aren't really made for the mechanics of it all. Except for this. This seems to be moving, but that's fine. This is gonna look really nice as a decorative piece. Also, oh wow. Oh my gosh, there's way more assembly than I thought was going on here. Okay, how am I supposed to know? Wait, what the heck? I have to, do I deattach them from each thing? Oh, I'm so scared. I hope I do this right. I really hope I do this right. Okay, so that's the stand that's gonna go there, and this is gonna hold the wands as I put them there. Jesus. Pray for me. Let's see. Oh my God, I don't even know where to start. This is so nerve-wracking. I'm also gonna keep the box nearby. Shall we keep it here? All right, let's do this. So each girl is here. They have, oh, I see. This is gonna go, that's gonna go right there. But it doesn't tell you exactly like where you're gonna put each one, but I can figure it out. It's fine. Let's do Majorica first. Do I just twist it off? Oh, this is, okay. Oh, it came off pretty easy. So it seems like Majorica is right here in this little divot. This is gonna look so cute. I'm so excited. And Momoko, you can tell it's Momoko because of her little hair dollies right here. We're gonna do Momoko, and she seems to be right here. We're gonna take off Momoko. Let's go backwards. So we're gonna do Ompu next. And Ompu is right over here. Ompu is my favorite. This is actually pretty easy. They didn't make this too difficult. I just got so nervous when I saw this. I was like, what the f? Like, oh my God, what kind of assembly is this? Okay, so we're gonna do Aiko. Aiko right now. You just have to do a little twist. She is right down here. I like how hers is very, it depicts her character very well. Hazuki on the bottom right here. She is where? Oh, she's in the middle. Oh yes, she's in the middle, okay. Right there. This is so cute. It's so cute. I love it. Then Doremi. Doremi is on the top left, leading the girls. All right, that was painless. Here is the stand, which will go center, and that fit in quite easily. I'm gonna do these first because I don't want to have to like reach over each wand and then have them fall. So yeah, we're gonna do the taps. They each have tape on the backs. And of course the gum. There's always gum. Now these should come out pretty easily. We're gonna go season 1. Pretty. And it will open up, or it should open up. Yes. Oh, that's cute. I like that. You can actually use this if you wanted to carry like mints, medicine, anything like that. That would be cute if you wanted to carry that around. There's where that goes. Is that where that goes? Why is it kind of... Oh, maybe my Aiko's angled weird? No, this is just... Huh. Maybe the chain that I'm using is too long? Huh, wait, okay. So these chains are for these. I see what this is. So I thought that they actually went with the wands, but they don't. So these shorter chains are gonna go with these. Oh, so much more assembly than I thought. Now I have to change the ball chains. There's so much going on here. This isn't the end of the world, but now I really actually have to take one of these off, like these off one by one, so I can actually see what I'm doing. This is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. And I didn't rip the box. Oh my dear, this is so small. Okay, all right, there we go. That looks better, right? And that's the first one. This is so much more involved than I think I thought it would be. That's fine. You know, it makes it more interesting. It makes you feel like you worked for it. I do think it's nice that they give you like the option of whether or not you want to take it with you or just keep it on the stand with different ball chains. This one is with Hazuki. And I'm getting kind of good at this. I just dropped one. Okay, I'm getting kind of good at this. Immediately drops one. Oh yeah, I am getting good at this though. This is no big deal. Oh! It's okay. The last one out of here. And finally the Coron tap. And oh, I didn't even open some of these. But yeah, this one opens as well. I like immediately forgot that they were supposed to open. Got stressed. I'm just putting them back in here so it's like I know where they are. This kind of makes me want to get these and just have separate ones that I can take with me and on bags and stuff. This one's a bit tighter because they kept the little spritz part, and this one goes with ompu. Oh, so much happening. Ompu. All right, okay, now we can finally open the wands. And we will kind of do this from the back to the front as displayed on the image. And we're gonna start with a sweet put on. Sweet put on. And again, there's no like mechanisms. It's a nice little decorative thing. Each divot is kind of made, it seems like, for each, yeah, because that fit in, that snapped in. It seems like each divot is made for each wand specifically because they have different shapes here. They have different shapes on the bottom, which I think is gonna hold them all in place in different ways. And also means that you can't like switch them around. So it's like specifically made for each of them to be like this. That is gonna go right like that, I guess. Oh wow, yeah, these really snap into place. Okay, here we go with the peacock put on, which, oh, does it open? It looks like it's supposed to open. Do you see how they designed it to make it look like it's gonna open, but I don't think it does. I do not want to sit here and break it. Yeah, it doesn't look like it actually opens, but it's so specifically made so well to match with the way the actual toy is. As you can see, I have it right here. Yep. Very cute. Of course, a different color because this one's old and has been fading. That one goes there, and we'll snap in, oh my god, I'm scared. I do not know. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, that seems to snap in quite okay. There is a bit of space between the bottom and this holder part, but as long as it stays put, I think that's fine. And then we have the Peperuto Poron, which has fingerprints on this. What is that? Looks like somebody's fingerprint on it. Oh, it wipes off. Okay, at least it wipes off. So thankfully that rubbed right off. These shake, these move. This part doesn't rotate, but as you can see, this is its match. Cute. Very cute. The sweet put on is over there, but I'm not taking it out of the box. It's not like it's a mint in box, but it's just a hassle to take out. This will snap right into place like that. Oh my god, we did it, you guys. Yeah, I really like this. It's really pretty. really unique type of piece. I have been wanting Doremi to have statues and bigger figures because it seems like shows that are counterparts to Doremi have those things, have like really nice figures. Like Cardcaptor Sakura gets super nice statues and figures, and so does Sailor Moon, like the Sume Arts figure. And Doremi doesn't get figures like that most of the time. And this isn't really a figure or a statue, but it's something that's close. I think it's cute that it's interactive. This was way more affordable than an expensive figure might usually be, but I think it's a step in the right direction of Doremi having those kinds of things because it is like an artistic way of displaying parts of the series that are really nostalgic. And yeah, this is very nice. I am a fan of this. And now I will switch camera angles again. This is so cute. I knew I was gonna like it, but I'm just so happy. I'm glad that it's gonna fit on my dresser and that it's not gonna take up too much space. What do you guys think of this? Were you considering getting it, or did you even know about it? I know that this was a pre-order only type of item. It was 6 months ago. The resale value on the internet that I've seen has been kind of crazy. It's like people are trying to sell it for like $200, almost $300 because it was, I mean, I know it was a pre-order type thing, but I think that's kind of crazy that it's going for that much. I paid like $50 for this, maybe not even, because the retail price was, I'm gonna probably put it on here if I'm wrong, but it was around 8,000 yen. It was not expensive. It was a very inexpensive purchase for what it is, but in any case, love it. I like that each wand from each season is on it. I love that the girls are on it. I wish that Hana and Pop were on it, but I guess I can't ask for too much. The assembly was more than I was expecting, but of course, made it more interesting, I guess. It was fine. Figured it out, and I'm very happy with this. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. Would you have wanted this? Are you going to get it? I don't know exactly where else it can be bought. I think maybe Big Bad Toy Store has listings. I have to double check, but that is going to be it for this unboxing and for this product review. I'm very happy with it. It's very cute. Very Doremi. You can't really see Majorika. She's very small. She's like the smallest. Yeah, in any case, have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. I know this is so last minute because I literally, it's already attached, but you can see the rhythm tap. The rhythm tap opens, the glass part opens like that because that's how it opens in the show. And then this part opens for any kind of candy you want to put it in. Oh my god, I love it. Obsessed. I love Ojamajo Doremi.